What's up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video, and today I have some cases for the Essential phone. So thank you very much to Tudia for sending these over, and let's go ahead and check out how they fit on the Essential. So I'm a really big fan of these clear light cases that still let you, showcase the beauty of your phone. And that's exactly what the glossy clear one does. I think there's two other colors for this one. You can get it in black or smoke, but I like the glossy clear one because it lets you still see this pure white color of the Essential, which I'm pretty happy with. This is definitely my favorite color over the black. So I wanted to definitely check out how it feels and how it fits. It fits really well. You can see that you have your cutouts here for the LED flash and your two camera sensors, microphone, your fingerprint sensor, the buttons on the side, power and volume up, volume down. They engage really well. And you see right here you have like this texture to give your hands a little bit of grab, so it doesn't slip out or anything. You have something nice to grab onto while you hold the phone, and I like that. Definitely like that. So here's a microphone down here, your USB cutout, and the speaker cutout. So everything works really well. I'm definitely a fan of this case. I like it a lot. So if you're interested in this one, this is the Tudia Skin, SKN, and I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below for this one. Okay, so the next one is the Tudia Tam for the Essential phone, and it's also a TPU case, nice, thin. I got this one in the gray color, so it has these like little accents on the bottom and the top, which is nice. Also, there's some of this like little ridge action on the sides for your grip. So this one isn't like super glossy like the other one that I just showed you. It definitely has like a little more grip in your hand. So definitely like this one too. You can see, the cutouts are great, just like the SKN. So for your fingerprint sensor and the camera, microphone, everything is good, nice and tight, feels good, feels great in the hand. Definitely like this one. I like this color too. So go ahead and check this one out. This is the Tudia Tam in gray for the Essential phone. All right, so on to the next one. Pretty fun, kind of like speed dating for phone cases. This is the Tudia Glossed for the Essential phone. I got it in white marble. So it says uniquely designed protective case, features, form-fitting design, access to all your ports and buttons. Raised edge for screen, camera protection, designed in USA. So that's great. Open here to give you a little thing to pull it up. Oh, that was very convenient. So this one definitely more substantial. These other guys were a lot more lighter, less rigid. This one is actually a rigid back. Still TPU sides. There's like a little pattern for the shock protection. I got the white marble, so let's just kind of drop it in here really quick, and fits nice and tight. Fits nice and tight. The back is smooth, similar to marble texture. You can see, pretty cool. So you got your cutouts and for your camera sensor and the fingerprint sensor and microphone. Everything seems to fit nice and tight. Buttons engage really good. And your cutout for the USB and speaker and microphone, everything is great. So yeah, this is the glossed, and the one I have is white marble. They have another one that's pure white, gold, or black, and also ocean green. So actually that ocean green one sounds pretty cool too. But yeah, this is the glossed, and definitely a cool case if you want to have some kind of imprint on the back. Last but not least is Tudia Lula case for the Essential phone, and I got the mint version, so let's go ahead and just pop this out really quick. Okay, this one is a hard, more of a hard rigid case. Okay, so we'll just drop it in. Got the mint color. Actually, that looks really cool. It has a nice feel in the hand too. I like the texture because it's a little more grippy. And I definitely like the color. I think it makes it look kind of like a creamsicle or something, you know what I'm saying? So the fingerprint sensor here, the cutout is a little bit smaller, so you can still get to it no problem. And then you have your cutout for your camera and LED. Right here, which is really cool, they give you space for your 360 camera. I don't personally have one, but know that, you know, if you have a 360 camera, you can still use this case and put it on and use the 360 camera. Very cool. And your cutouts for the speaker and USB and microphone. So it's a cool, unique color. This is the Tudia Lula case. So this is the mint color. It also comes in rose gold and metallic slate. That's all I have for you guys today. Special shout out to Tudia for sending these out. These are great cases. Definitely recommend it for your central phone if you guys are interested. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below for these cases. My name is Reggie. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. And that's it for me, guys. I'm signing out. Take care. Peace.